You want to play more?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, go. You read the numbers first. What's this number? What's this number muna?
No, wait more.
Ah, bilis naman.
101. It's then 113.
Ang galing! Great job! Okay, next. Okay, this one. Read first.
29.
Okay. So what is it? Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Read. Yay! Okay, next. Let me get another number. How about, I will put it back. Don't worry.
Bakit 83?
Ito, I'll put it back. Okay. Okay, next. Read muna. Read first.
65.
Yay!
Again, 8.
Another 8. Okay, sige. Oh.
Mama, what's another one?
Ano yan? Wala na. Okay na. There's another one there. Okay. I'll put it back here. Okay. You want number 8? Okay. So, what is the 2 8s? Okay. What will happen to 2 8s? So, 8 is...
Equal to 8.
8 is equal to 8. Great job. Okay. How about mommy will pick naman the numbers? How about this? Okay. Put it back. So, this one and this one. Wait mo. Yan. Ayos. Okay. Stop looking at these numbers. Yan muna. Okay, go. Yay!
I'm focusing.
Okay.
I'm working, Mommy.
Okay. You're arranging from what?
Wait, there's 3.
Greatest to least. Okay.
Oh, no, the same. The same one, 71.
Yes, okay.
I get it, Mom. I get 271. What
Okay,
happened?
you got 271 from the box. It's okay.
The wall. This one's the wall.
Draw because they are equal.
71, 71.
Yes, correct. Okay, continue.
I'm continuing, Mommy.
Alright.
I'm focused. I'm focusing, Mommy.
Okay.
Look, I'm focusing. Now I'm doing, Mommy.
Are you done? Okay. So, among those numbers, which one is the greatest?
103.
Okay, which one is the least?
15.
Okay, so can you read?
15 and 18 are the least.
No one lang.
Dapat 2.
Which one is the least? The smallest among all those numbers.
What should I do?
The smallest? The least?
No.
Oh no. 120 is the big. So that is the greatest or least? Greatest. How about 15? Is it the least or the greatest? Okay, so can you read from greatest to least?
Taas
Ano yung sabon?
na siya. Si 120.
What?
Taas na siya.
Don't put it there. Okay, go. Read. Ready, go.
120, 117, 75, 71, 71, 71.
There to 71. Okay, next.
71, 45, 56, 45, 18, 15.
Yay! Great job, Student Light!